Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a short review of a webcam by Smolink. So here are the characteristics of the cam, and the cam itself looks really good. So I just connected it to my laptop, compared it with the native camera. So the quality is really good, it's the same. I also like this privacy cover, so if you have qualms about your privacy, you can just slide it here and don't worry about anything. The camera itself is also pretty adjustable. Even the base itself, you can tilt it to the left or to the right depending on how you want to set it up. And it has a pretty long USB cable. So I'm really impressed with the build and make of the camera, and I highly recommend it. Thank you.